How long have you been a Cornwell dealer?
We're gonna be going on 9 years in April.
And what did you do before you became a Cornwell dealer?
Did a little bit of everything. I went to school for HVAC, got laid off from that, ended up getting my CDL to drive a truck. Worked at a prison for a little while, left that, and when I left that, I was still driving all the time. Since I was 15, 16, sold trucks and motorcycles and cars, and I ended up trading this Cornwell dealer a four-wheeler for tools. And when we were on the truck, I asked him, I was like, "There's good money in this? Like, can I make a living out of it?" He was like, "Yeah, let me set you up." And he set me up with the district manager, and we kind of went from there. I've never been good at working for someone. And
Good answer.
I knew that whether it was driving truck, you're alone, or working for myself, I knew that it was a good option. I like dealing with the customers. I like that friendship, the relationship you build with them. I just enjoy it a lot. The support from Cornwell is unbelievable, from all aspects. To the customer service, I have my girls, Laura, Charlene, that are unbelievable, over the top for me in customer service. Our credit side and our tech credit side, just they go above and beyond for us. Dave answers the phone at 9 o'clock at night for me. District manager's unbelievable. When it comes to higher up management, if someone doesn't have an answer for me, it steps up the ladder till they get the answer, and the support's there 100%. Cornwell as a family, it's just so close. Everyone from customer service to tech credit, I use a lot of the same people throughout the week with emails. It makes it easier for me just to use a certain amount of people, but even the days that those people are off, everyone's always looking to help. That's what they're there to do, and they do a great job doing it. Dealers start as a mechanic. I tinker with stuff in the backyard type of stuff, but coming not from a mechanic field, learning the tool side, learning what they are, asking customers questions on, "Hey, what's this do? I don't do body work. Like, how does this work? Or what do you need for this?" Different things like that. It's just asking questions and learning as you go. I still learn stuff every day.
What is special about the mobile tool business?
A lot of people don't really understand how it works. For it being a mobile store with everything that you can possibly fit on this truck. When it comes to power tools, the hand tools, a lot of specialty stuff, customers like the relationship. They can buy tools anywhere, but they like seeing me every week. I go to bat for my customers and do whatever I can for them, and they're aware of that, and they appreciate it. Just a great business to be in. I really do love it.
What advice do you have for someone considering becoming a tool dealer?
I think they should. It's just making sure that you're ready for the commitment. Just because you're your own boss doesn't mean that you can start at 10, 11 in the morning. You still got to be out of the house early. I'm out of the house by 6:30 every single morning. You have to be at all your stops. The guys expect you to be there. It's communication. Telling the guys what's going on. I have a big following on Facebook, and I post regularly throughout the day. So usually one or two of the guys notices, "Hey, Alex is running late," or "He's not going to be there," or "The truck's off the road today," whatever it is, and shoot a few of the guys messages or text and tell them what's going on. You can run this truck 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, but if you're doing it and not spending the time with your family, spending the time with your loved ones, and continuing to have a life other than just your day-to-day job, there's kind of no reason. You can be your own boss. I'm Alex Indeck, and I'm a Cornwell dealer.